Hi there, I got cut off because of my 15-minute time spot, so I'm going to go 04 again. So we said the hiker is at the bottom of a canyon facing the canyon wall closest to her. So I drew the person, the wall meters. That's the speed of sound is 340 meters per second. Said how long after she shouts will she hear her echo? That's where the tricky thing is. So we're definitely looking for time because it said however, and the sound travels and hits the wall. That's the time we have the information for that. However, it didn't say that a bird flew in her way or anything like that. So then we know, and she didn't go back, and she will hear it at her ear. So twice. It's going to travel all the way to the wall, bounce back, and all the way to find. Basically, you either can, or you have to do it two times. So let's look back. So I was looking for T. So we're going to find the T, and it's D divided. So I put my divided by my speed of sound, 340 meters per second. You put it in the calculator. 2 divided by 340, and you get 0.285 seconds. Okay, so that's just for one trip. Her scream. So her screaming hits the wall is 0.825 seconds. Then it has to travel all the way back to her ear as another 0.25 seconds for a total of 1.65 seconds. So the last problem I wanted to do says a motorist is traveling a stretch of open highway. He sets his cruise control to 90 kilometers per hour. So that's meters per hour, so velocity. So that means distance. We don't mean minutes. So that's what we know first. So I drew my car. I listed my velocity, my time. This is a question mark. Sorry, you can't. You'll start to understand my writing. And then the time is 15 minutes. So the first thing is I noticed the kilometer. So you just replace it with a T. So now you write your number as 90 times 10 to the 3 so that now you're not messed up. And then I noticed this. This is in hours. I can solve the problem for hours. So 1 hour is, so I put the 60 on the bottom so I could cancel the minutes out. So you do 15 divided by 60 and I come up with 0.25 hours. So now the time is in hours as point. Now I need to solve for how far. So the distance is, and now I have all the units matching. So my 90 times 10 to the 3, that's for the kilometers. Now it's in meters per hour. And then I'm going to multiply it by 0.25. So now my hours will, so the answer is 22,500 meters. And then I wrote it as 22.5 kilometers. Just because I wanted to, but be fine as an answer. So there you have it. As for an acceleration, I just want to let you know the importance of the you learn it, so you definitely need to do some problems and practice this, because velocity is going to basically the speed is going to be in the same equation. The equations they're going to figure better and better. This is a simple equation. So you got velocity. You're going to learn about next. Learn about is velocity in horizontal and velocity vertically, and then you're also going to learn about forces, magnitudes, and basically speeds and all of that stuff. So you're going to be using it a lot, and the problems are going to get a little bit more complex. So you definitely want to follow my problem-solving techniques.